Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 1st of March 2022. Happy March, everybody. Hope you guys' February went well. But if it's like everybody else's, probably not the greatest, especially if you are in equities or in cryptocurrencies. Wait, actually, I take that back. If you're in cryptocurrencies and you're a long-term bull like me, you were probably thrilled with these lower prices because, oh my gosh, happy like a fat kid in a candy store on a buy one get 10 free day. And who knows when we'll get to see this kind of stuff again. But let's take a look at Stellar Lumens to get the second one looked at today. Stellar on the wait a minute, what is this? That should be the 3-week chart. Stellar on the 3-week chart. Of course, this is the first time that it's actually traded inside the cloud. You have this falling wedge pattern. And, you go back to the last 3-week candle, closed above that wedge angle. And then we're looking at the current 3-week candle, which this one will close this week. And on March 7th is when the new one opens up. So as long as it remains above that 19-cent zone, as long as we have a close there, that's very supportive. But it is in the middle of the cloud, and that's just a horrible place. And the cloud in general it's a place where trading accounts go to die. It's a horrible, miserable place. And I mean, yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. The weekly chart, you're starting off the week here pretty nice. Last week had a bullish close. You had a hammer candlestick form, but we need to see some follow through. Stellar definitely looks like one of the weaker altcoins structurally where it's at with its within the Ichimoku system. It's well below the Tenkan-sen, well below the Kijun-sen, far, far away from the cloud. I mean, in order to return to the Senko Span B, it needs to more than double its current value. But the start of the week here is very strong, and we'll see if it can actually maintain this drive here that it currently has. And then zipping on over to the daily, you can see that yesterday there was a close of up 9%. A lot of altcoins had a pretty good drive up. Closed above the 618 expansion that was there. Trying to extend a move today. It moved as high as the 20 and a quarter level, but faced some selling pressure. Of course, commodities today, oil's been up as much as 11%. You have corn and wheat are up 5%. Sugar, I think, was up close 4%. You just have commodities all over the place. The whole Russia Ukraine thing has just been a bit of a pain in the butt for risk on markets. But like I said this on Cardano's chart, when you look at the altcoins, you look at something that has been as weak as Stellar is, and it's kind of might eke out a green close. That's pretty bullish, especially when you consider that equity markets are down 2% in some cases. I think, as I'm looking here, they're it's coming back a little bit. Yeah, the Nasdaq's coming back a little bit. It's off its lows. I think the Russell, out of all the indexes, was the only one that closed higher in February. Maybe was it closed up 0.1% or 1%? I don't remember what I heard. But anyways, Stellar sitting in a pretty good spot. What it really needs to do, very simply, if you want to see Stellar really accelerate higher, it needs to close at 24 cents or higher. That is the only way that you will really get a strong case for it to return into a bullish expansion phase, because otherwise it's just been in the doldrums here ever since last May. And kind of like Dogecoin and some others, how long has this been now? It's been almost 300 days in this downtrend. So that is something to pay attention to and anticipate an end of showing up here soon. And if it does break above 24K, we get a daily close at 24K or higher. Next rise up is definitely in the 50-cent level. And then above that, we'll see if it can actually push towards an all-time high. We'll see. Probably not. Kind of losing my faith in Stellar a little bit. But we'll see what happens. Anyways, that does it for me on Stellar. Hope you all have a great rest of your trade day. Take care of yourselves. Updated as needed from all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.